Did you know you can build a profitable YouTube channel without ever showing your face? Faceless YouTube channels are blowing up right now, and the best part is, you don't need expensive equipment or expert skills to start. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to start a faceless YouTube channel, even if you're a total beginner. I'll also share free AI tools and resources to help you create content effortlessly. Step 1. Choose your faceless niche. Not all niches work well for faceless content. You need a niche that allows you to create engaging videos without being on camera. The best faceless niches for beginners are finance and investing, tech and AI tutorials, motivation and self-improvement, facts and mysteries, horror and creepy stories, gaming. Choose a niche you enjoy so you can stay consistent. Step 2. Find viral video topics. To get views fast, you need high-demand, low-competition topics. Here's how to find them. Use ChatGPT. Ask, what are trending video topics in your niche? Use vidIQ and TubeBuddy to check search volume and competition for keywords. Use Google Trends to see what's trending in your niche. Analyze competitors to see what's working for other faceless channels. Step 3. Write a high-engagement script. A well-structured script is the foundation of a great video, but writing from scratch can be hard. Use AI script writing tools like ChatGPT, which is best for quick script generation, and Jasper AI, which is best for SEO optimized and professional scripts. Example. Prompt. Write a YouTube script for a video titled AI Tools Can Make You Rich in a storytelling format with a strong hook and CTA. Step 4. Generate AI voiceovers. If you don't want to record your voice, use AI voiceover tools for natural sounding narration. The best AI voiceover tool is 11 Labs, which is best for human-like voices with emotions. Murph AI, which is best for studio-quality voiceovers. Play.ht, which is good for multilingual and natural AI voices. How to use 11 Labs. Go to 11 Labs, upload your script or type it in, choose a voice and style, calm, energetic, professional, and download your voiceover in seconds. Step 5. Find and edit footage for your videos. To create a high-quality, faceless video, you need engaging footage. No filming needed. The best free stock footage website is Pexels.com, which has free HD videos, Pixabay.com, which has free images and videos, and Envato Elements, which is paid but has high-quality premium stock footage. The best editing tool for faceless videos is CapCut, which is best for beginners, free and easy, and Adobe Premiere Pro, which is best for high-end production. Step 6. Create click-worthy thumbnails. Your thumbnail decides 70% of your video success. The best thumbnail design tool is Canva, which is easy to use and best for beginners. For thumbnail best practices, use bold and clear text. Keep the design simple but eye-catching. Use contrast colors like yellow, red, and black. Add emotion or curiosity to the image. Step 7. Upload and optimize for YouTube SEO. Uploading isn't just about hitting publish. You need SEO optimization to rank your videos. YouTube SEO most important checklists are titles, descriptions, tags, hashtags, and end cards. Use high-ranking keywords. Add a summary, keywords, and timestamps. Use vidIQ or TubeBuddy to find the best tags. Use relevant tags and link to other videos to keep viewers engaged. Step 8. Monetize your channel. Once your channel grows, you can start making money. The best ways to monetize a Facebook channel are YouTube ad revenue, affiliate marketing, sponsorships and brand deals, and selling digital products. Start your faceless channel today. Starting a faceless YouTube channel has never been easier without AI tools. If you follow these steps, your channel can grow fast. Do you want a free YouTube automation guide? Subscribe to the channel and drop a comment. Which AI tool do you want to use for your channel?